What's up? So we're going to Palawan. And
Tara na, baka may ipit sa immigration.
Baka mabusan ng upuan. Nakaganyan ka na? Check-in mo na yan? Ay, hindi. Dadali mo. Tara. Yung sawa ko.
Kasi nga,
Ito yung mic.
medyo malayo yung Siquijor. Ay, Siquijor?
Sa Punta Bay.
Tapos na pala tayo sa Siquijor. Sa Palawan, yung Onok Island. Punta kami sa Onok Island.
So we're going to be there by 6 in the 6 p.m. And then
Nag-decide kami mag-backpack kasi nga madaming transfer. So, madaming island
maraming
hopping.
hassle.
So,
So mas
hindi
maganda.
kami what do you call this?
Food sponsors. S-Coffee.
Hindi kami nag-luggage.
Yep.
Yeah.
So after this one, darating kami ng 6 p.m. sa Balaba, ay sa Puerto, and then 2 a.m. ang pick up ng van going to Buliluyan Port. And then bukas, start na ng tour namin.
So,
Oy, kain.
we're
Ay,
just
kumain.
waiting for our flight.
Ito, may
Our
sabaw.
flight is 4:15 and it's already 3:50. So, nag-wait na lang kami.
Tingnan natin ito kay Pao. Gabi,
Yan.
food sponsor.
Let's copy.
S-Coffee. So we are about to board the aircraft. So darating kami ng Palawan ng around 6:15
yeah.
more or less. So we are about to take off, and as you can see, layo namin sa isa't isa.
Sa isa't isa. Merong 1, merong 2, 4, and 30 kami. So,
Ayun,
mag-isa
si
lang
Bossing.
si Fast. So, see
See
you
you
guys
guys
in
sa
Puerto.
Puerto. So we are here at Puerto Princesa.
Yeah, we just
And-
landed.
It's already 6 p.m. and we're going to our hotel first, the budget hotels, and then after that, we'll be picked up by their van transfer at 2 p.m. Ay, 2 a.m. sorry. So yun. Pahinga muna kami and
Pero actually,
party
wala,
daw muna sa Puerto.
actually, wala pa kaming nabubook. Parang maghahanap pa lang ata kami.
Yeah, so we're just looking for budget hotel. Pero may nakita na kanina pala Wonders. So baka doon kami magstay. Sir, saan pwede magsakay ng trike?
Traffical po. Doon pa ba ng...
Ano pa banda? Okay, sige.
Babala.
Salamat.
Mayor! Yung nakakap na puti.
Okay, sige.
Tok-tok!
And
So,
so we...
instead na mag-tricycle kami, nag-take na kami ng van.
Kaya may hirap kayong kasama eh. Hindi kayo makapaghanap buhay oh. Yan. And so we are staying here sa Palau Wonders, and this is 500 each until we wait maging 10 a.m. Ay, 2 a.m.
Ito eh.
Yeah. Papa, do the room tour. Eh?
Hello guys! How are you? So we have
Wala
two
aircon
rooms
dito?
here.
Meron.
This room consists of 2 rooms.
Ini-English ang tayo na nga.
20. Okay. Suot na.
Isuot mo yan! Isuot mo yan!
Pindutin mo nga. Pindutin mo nga yung mga tricks. Tignan natin kung ano aliens.
So, naglakad kami. Almost 4 minutes? 5 minutes?
5, I guess. So we're eating here at Kinabuch.
So, actually, kanto lang to ng no inn namin. Hotel. Ayun.
Kasi masarap dito.
Sabi masarap daw.
Yan, so pakatapos na namin kumain sa Kinabuch. So highly recommended yung crocodile sisig.
Sisig.
Then first time namin kumain ng tamilok.
Ah,
So, yung
siya
parang
lang.
dun sa kahoy.
Not me.
So, masarap siya.
Tamilok is ano ha?
lasang
Tamilok
kahoy.
is
Parang uod.
Uod.
Yun. So, kakatapos na namin kumain. I recommend it dun sa Kinabuch. Then we're walking here sa Rizal Avenue going to UG Tavern. Kasi magbabar kami for 2 hours. Para lang to kill some time. Kasi ano oras pa sundo natin? 2 a.m. pa eh. So, it's fun to walk here. Safe and yun. Medyo City Horror vibe ng konti. So, ang daming gelato store dito. So, they're going to try one.
We're going to try one.
Eh, si gelato.
You know what? It's really awesome.
So, this one costs 70 pesos. Ha?
Seaside.
Eto, ano to?
Seaside big.
Big
Ano ba yan?
Uy, gago ka! Uy, gago! Tang ina niyo, bababoy niyo, gago kayo.
Kaya kayo sa mga kawork ni Jella.
Gago, sabi ko nga, dapat may fist bump eh, no? Paano yung gar? We find ways. Diba?
Gago.
Tara, tara. So we decided to go home na lang kasi wala rin naman masyadong tao and to give rest na din siguro. Kasi 2 a.m. yung alis eh. So tulog muna and then banat agad tomorrow.
2 a.m.
2 a.m. So kami sa ABCD convenience store and bibili na kami ng drinks namin for tomorrow kasi wala na kami mabibilang bukas going to Balabac.
We're here at ABCD Convenience Store. Go, go, go! It's not that expensive, you know. It just costs 320 pesos each. Yeah.
2.8 lang.
Yeah.
Pwede na yan.
Look at the money, eh. Look at the video, eh.
Fake. Go. Ito, trek tayo. Sa ano po, Palawanders, magkano?
Hello, Wonders.
Oo. Oo, dun sa Manalo ba? Magkano yung boss?
Ano kayo?
Hindi,
Ito na isa.
ha? 20? 20 isa? Ah, sige. So we're taking the trike, going home. Ay, Pinay!
Yung ginamit ni Kuya. Kuya, pinapahirapan ka bang gobyerno?
Kuya, single yan.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
And we are back. So, it's sleeping time. It's already 2 a.m. And we're getting ready. And it's already 2 a.m. And papunta na kami Buliluyan Port. Boom, sinara ni Kuya na napakalupit. And so, we expect to be there at around 5 to 6 a.m.
Gusto ko eh.
Ano?
Bawi-bawi.
It's already 6 a.m. and it's breakfast time. Boom! And so may papaitan sila dito. Ang sarap.
Pero bakit to?
Yeah. Gold. Bayad-bayad na.
Di ba sabi?
Ikaw, tama.
Sabi namin.
Okay, so...
Ba't tayo mabutang 9?
Sino? We are here at the Buliluyan Port. So dito kami susunduin ng speedboat and we'll start the tour.
Yeah, we're currently looking at their merches. So, I
And
think we're gonna buy one.
Nagkahanap ng pagkagagasasan. Ano ba yun?
100 pesos per day.
Food nila dito is Malaysian na. Yung mga brands. Kasi yun yung mga pinakamalapit sa kanila na grocery. Ayan. So this is what Buliluyan Port looks like. So we're waiting for our tour guide and then we'll start the day. Dire-diretso na. So this is the direct competitor of our food sponsor a while ago.
Yeah.
Coffee. This is Cafe.
I don't think it's,
Yan, so we're going to the speedboat already. So si Kuya ang tour guide namin. And then, yan, nandun yung speedboat. And it's about less than an hour daw. So much better if naka-speedboat kesa sa traditional boat. Kasi traditional boat takes about 2 hours.
Say hi to my vlog.
So we're going to Kanibungan and after Kanibungan, punta kami ng Onok Island.
We'll assemble first at Kanibungan. And then after nun, tuloy-tuloy na yung island hopping. And of course, food trip. Kasi napansin namin yung mga dala nila is puro seafood eh. So yun yung mga kakainin na. Nagdala nga sila ng ano, ilan yun? 6 na pinya.
Yeah, ang dami. So, ayun.
Yan lang kanibungan, di ba?
So let's go. Siyempre.
Tumbling nga.
Tumbling nga.
Tumbling talaga yan.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that. And now we
So we just arrived at Kanibugan Island. This is our base camp. Yan. So later, pupunta kami sa Onok Island kasi doon kami mag-overnight and then we'll return here the second day. And so ang mangyayari is pupunta kami ng Onok Island. Change boat lang pala. So yan. We're just going to change boat kasi andun na din yung pagkain sa Onok Island. It's almost 12 or 12:30 I guess. So yung ganda dito Kanibugan Island. Tomorrow we'll be staying here. And after our Onok Island, kakain lang kami doon. Doon din kami mag-overnight. So from Kanibugan Island, using the traditional boat, it takes about 1 hour. So doon na kami magla-lunch sa Onok. And so we are here at Onok Island. Whoa! Napakaganda. Sobra. So kakarating lang namin sa Onok Island and look, there's food already. Seafoods and everything.
Oh, magana naman yun namin.
Then again, kasama na si binayaran nyo. Everything is paid for, the boat, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Pero
So that's a good thing about tours.
Pero ang first day, ang breakfast hindi siya
Siya kasama.
included.
Yeah, kasi nasa, ano ka nun, ibang
Pero
transfer.
ano naman yun? i-drop ka naman nila sa mga kalendarya lang.
So sobrang ganda dito. While eating, there are, what do you call this? There are turtles swimming around.
So, hi guys. Magsa-sunset na. And nandito kami. We're waiting for the others. So, ngayon
sunset na, and then afternoon, kakain na kami.
Dinner.
So, papalipad muna ako ng drone.
Naamoy ko tilapia eh. Ayan. So this is what it looks like.
And so we're here at the dinner table. So there are 4 groups.
Cottage.
Yeah, sa cottage. So sa gitna ito ng dagat. So you can see dun sa mga previous video. And then dito kami kakain. So nag-aantay kami ng food. Again, everything is already included. And so kasama na sa lahat ng binayaran nyo pagkain, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So tomorrow, it's gonna be one heck of a day kasi we're going on Kanibungan Island, and then there's going to be 4 tours going to Kanibungan Island. Island hoppings. So maraming activities tomorrow, but we're going to party first tonight. So see you later when the food is here. And so we're currently in our room kasi it's yeah, we just had our dinner, so it's already 8:30. And then we're gonna party at 9. So kinuha namin yung isang parang cottage uli na floating cottage kasi para hindi kayo makaistorbo sa iba. So, yun. Para sa mga sa mga nagpa-plan pumunta ng Balabac, I suggest magbaon kayo ng patience, and if you're looking for something, pagpunta mo is mare-relax ka or mare-relax yung mata mo. Pero kasi mare-relax yung mata mo sa tanawin kasi napakaganda talaga. But then when it comes to to what they call this, to relaxing na parang maganda yung tutuluyan, yung CR is good, I think this is not for you kasi this is more of an adventure. Bukas papakita ko sa inyo yung CR. Tas, as you can see our room, pakita mo yung room natin.
Pero actually, we were already informed kasi before talaga kami pumunta dito, gusto ko talaga pumunta ng Onok because napanood ko siya kay Angel Day. And pinakita naman ni Angel na ganun talaga yung mga CR dito. So, alam ko na yun.
Somehow, there's several improvements naman before dun sa mga vlog na napanood namin. Kasi right now, yung kuryente nila dito sa Onok is running 24/7. So, goods na yun for charging and everything. So, ngayon, makipakita mo yung room. Ito yung rooms nila. So, ilang kami magkakasya dito. Although we're friends. Pero, yun nga. Again.
Double, I think. This is also double and that's why...
On a single.
Single.
So, yun yung sinasabi ko na na magbaon kayo ng mahabang pasensya, and of course, adventurous types of people will enjoy this kinds of setup. So, ayan, for example, medyo mainit. May electric fan kami doon, pero nagbaon pa rin ako ng electric fan. So, marami. Siyempre, emergency lights, meron din tayo. So, marami kaming dala dito, mga anti-nick-nick, mga ganun. So, yun yung mga dapat baunin nyo. So, para kayo nag-camping, in a way na mas maganda yung pinuntahan yung lugar. So, yun. By tomorrow, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano mangyayari. And then later on, mag-iinom lang kami. So, baka hindi ko na ma-vlog yun. So, yun. Tomorrow, we'll see you guys tomorrow on our second day.
Hi
morning. So
Morning.
it's 6:30 a.m. and we're here sa labas kasi mag-photo na kami and it's currently low tide as you can see. So yun, again, this is not for those na wanted to really relax kasi you have to wake up early. And gaya na sinasabi ko, I'll show you the CRs and where you should take a bath. Doon yun mamaya sa island. Kasi yun, naka-generator yon. And this one is solar powered. So si Madam is ngayon lang nagising ng 6. And so mag-breakfast kami at 8 and then we're going on a tour at 9. So 4 daw na activities ang gagawin namin today. Then we're going back to another island kasi doon na kayo matutulog. Sa Kanibungan Island. Yan. So marami nang maalis ngayon. 7:30 a.m. maalis na ata sila kasi hindi sila dito mag-breakfast. Kasi ewan ko, yun ata yung setup nila eh. Pero kami kasi, this is our first day. So, pwede nga kami dito kahit hanggang 11, 12 eh. Yan, so.
Eventually we'll fall asleep and dream about these past 3 weeks, or lie awake and dedicate our thoughts to finding what it means. But when it is all said and done, I can't think of anyone else. Nothing is just as it seems, at least that's what it seems to me. And everybody has a path.
Yan, so we just had our photos taken and videos of course. So ayan, para sabihin ko sa inyo, ito yung itsura ng mga CRs nila. Ayan. Ayan, malinis naman. Wala namang bayad. Kasama na siya sa ano.
Yung super gross.
Yeah. But then if you're, sobrang selan mong tao, I don't think this is gonna be for you. So, pero napaganda kasi talaga ng lugar na to. And this is the dome house here. Unfortunately, pagdating namin,
6 packs is for
Yeah.
1,800. Then
kaso occupied na siya
4
pagdating
packs
namin.
is 1,400.
So, somehow mura dito guys. But then again, this was arranged by Palawan Trails and Tales, yung travel and tours namin. Everything is already included at 11,000 pesos. So, nagko-basketball ang ating tropa at magjo-join ako. Basket! Tayo na ako pupulot. Gagi ngayon na lang ako mag-basketball. Isang taon na ata. And we are going to get some buko.
Bilko.
So, andun siya. And marami dito nakasulat guys na may dalawa na to. Medyo lang, dalawa lang. So, meron dito mga turtleness. So, sinasabi na wag guluhin. Kasi marami ding sea turtles dun eh, mga giant sea turtles. Pag maswerte ka talaga, makikita mo sila. Actually, everyday makikita mo sila, pero yun nga, minsan 2, 3, 4. And there are days na sobrang dami daw. Sobrang laki.
So we just had our buko. And ito siya. Scrape ko pa. Masarap.
Meron pa siyang tira.
Malahog ba to?
Malauhog.
Yeah.
So, breakfast na kami kasi ready na daw. Tinawag na kami nila ate.
Breakfast na already na tinawag na kami ate.
Breakfast time.
So again, this was arranged by Palawan Trails and Tales. Now, everything is already included in sa 11,000. Pero magkano binayaran mo?
28.
Hindi.
Wrong. 16 lang.
So, nag-wait na lang kami sa bangka namin to, what do you call that? Yung base camp. Tapos ngayon, habang we're waiting, doon kami magwe-wait kasi it's low tide do. So, ang layo niya. Bumili kami ng... Ang tawag dito, bumili kami ng pancit canton and... Yan, ito lang yung tindahan dito. And... That corned beef para kay Paulo. Kasi hindi siya makakatiis ng walang ano. Ma'am, sorry, nakuha na yung corned beef?
Ando na po, pinaluto.
Ah, meron na? Okay. So, ayun yung kitchen nila. Connecting lahat ng ano dito. Coke. Tara na, dun tayo.
Nabigay kay Pao yung ano, yung gamit ni Pao dun sa ano.
Hindi po. Yun yung room namin. Ito yung kabilang room. Actually, binibigay yung room din na yun. Pero, hindi namin siya kinuha kasi ito lang siya. Nasa privacy, oh. Kita siya. So, ayan.
You look so different than when we first laughed. Stolen youth, shattered innocence. So I close my eyes.
And so we're going on a small boat kasi hindi makapenetrate yung bangka papunta dito. So nauna na yung mga may toyo. Yeah.
Toyo ones are on the go.
And then yung mga safe.
Bakit ka tumatawa?
Damay no? So ayan, lakad muna kami papunta dito sa small boat.
Sakay ng boat para pumunta sa boat.
Yeah. Ayan, so may kasabay kaming ibang tao. 2 babae. So yari si Aaron. Ayan. Diyan pa pumesto eh. Hindi nag-iisip eh, no?
Tingin si Aaron sa mga dalawa.
Sinira. Yes, we just arrived here at Candaraman Island. So dito kami magla-lunch today. Sobrang ganda ng island na to, grabe. For those na seeking adventure and want to explore the Virgin Islands of the Philippines, this one's for you. Yeah, so magla-lunch lang kami dito. And then after nun, we're going to the sandbar and many more activities. I hope. Kasi nag-high tide na eh. Yeah. So there's a basketball court here. Maglalaro lang din kami. And dito kami magla-lunch.
Laro tayo ng Mataya, taya, mataya, taya. Pagkabilang ng 3, takbo tayo pabalayo. Mataya, taya, mataya, taya. Sa 2, 3, iiwanan mo ako.
Yeah, so naglaro muna kami ng volleyball before going to that, we call this sandbar, na hindi na siya sandbar kasi hapon na. So, yan. Alis na kami dito. After nun, we're going back to the Kanibungan Island, which is the campsite. And so, yeah, pupunta lang kami doon, have some snorkeling kung meron man, and then get back to Kanibungan Island. And so we are here already at the sandbar na wala ng sand kasi high tide na. Pero still, we're going to explore it. Ang ganda, napakaganda.
Pwede
I'm making a list of all the things that I once loved. I'm writing down everything it means. We played our parts, we colored within the shapes and lines. A brand new start, leaving our fear and doubt behind. And I'm keeping my lungs, I'm holding my tongue this time. Oh, I'm keeping my lungs, I'm holding my tongue this time. Follow me to the sea. You're telling me there's so much more. Wait and see what it means. I'm telling you there's so much more than what you settled for.
Dito kami ngayon sa Kanibungan Island. And this will be our base camp for today. So, ayan niya magpakita kasi sabi niya na itim daw siya.
Ako ay suggest, magdala kayo yung bag?
Ay, yung bag na pang mababasa, waterproof. Sobrang lakas ng ahalon, grabe.
Para kami naligo na.
Yan, so settle in muna kami dito and then we'll go into our Nipa Hut. So, just to give you an idea kung gaano kaganda din tong island na to. So, ito yung andito yung mga base camp. So, dito kami today. Tonight actually. And then by tomorrow, alam ko mag-island hopping pa kami ng isa. And then we're gonna get back to Puerto Princesa. So, again, Kanibungan Island.
Got the open road, nothing but blue skies. Here's to the summer days and to the starry nights. We took the long way, it was the scenic route. You told me all the things that you could never live without. Oh, please, won't you leave me to my own thoughts? Oh no, won't you show me where these paths cross? Oh, take all the time that you could ever need. Oh, wait in the space where you first left me.
So this is what we call the anti-nick-nick. Kasi ang daming nick-nick dito. So show your back. Show your back para makita nila yung mga nick-nick. Boom! Yan. So yan yung mangyayari sa inyo. So by the way, this is our room, the Nipa Hut. So 5 kaming magsisiksikan dito. Yan. So ayan si Madam. Now, may kuryente yung yung light bulb pero ito wala yung mga meron? Umaandar na ba yan? Okay. Gagi yan. So we're going to eat dinner.
Ma'am,
So, good morning guys. Kakagising lang namin.
Mag-i-speedboat
And it's 7:15.
So, siguro towards yan.
Magbe-breakfast lang kami, then babalik na kami sa Buluyan Port. And
Hindi, ang tanong dun, baka mamaya mabasa pa kasi tayo kung mag-ibis tayo.
napag-usapan na namin.
kami, kala namin speedboat. Ano ko ba?
I-confirm natin kay sir kasi
Ito yung breakfast namin.
Pero sure ball na yun yung gagamitin.
So, kakain lang kami guys.
So this is our room. Katatapos lang namin kumain. So, di ko alam kung na-room tour ko ba kayo. And yun yung CR. So unfortunately, hindi na kami mag-island hopping today kasi 7 a.m. daw talaga ang balik ng mga tao sa Boliluyan Port. So, it's already 7:15. So, yeah, so maliligo lang kami. And then after nun, we're gonna go home. Ayan. So, yan po yung security guard ng kwartong to. So, yan. That's what it looks like. Miss mo mag-hotel?
Miss ko yung hotel.
Yung aircon. Yan, so...
cocktail sa Coron. Ang init.
Kasi ito adventurous type talaga. Bumapasok pa rin yung lamok eh. Kagabi.
Yeah, actually,
Grabe.
guys, what you can see there is that it's a very, very powerful technology.
Called Kulambo.
Yes, it came from the Aztec. Ano ba?
Yan, so yan yung room. Sharing namin dyan. And mainit kagabi. Buti na lang dala natin yung Craftsman. So we're about to go. Uwi na kami ng Puerto. And so unfortunately, wala kaming speedboat today. So normal na bangka kami. And mababasa kami. Kasi di na daw kami madadaanan ng speedboat. So it's about 1.5 hour travel time from here to Boliluyan Port. Ayan. As of this moment, nagkakarga na tayo ng mga gamit. So we are back at the Boliluyan Port. And so hanap lang ng parking yung bangka and then bababa na kami. Then we're going to Puerto Princesa in a bit. So we're back at Palawan Wonders. So it's already 6 p.m. So sobrang haba talaga ng biyahe. It will take the whole day. So same room. Yeah. So nag-rent din kami ng motorbike. So yung mga helmet so that we can explore Puerto Princesa in a day.
Ay, yung ano. Yan.
Yeah, so we're going back to Manila. Galing kami kagabi. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. Galing kami sa Bakersfield and Bay City Park. So yun. Babalik namin ng Manila ngayon. So hindi ko na vlog kasi tag dito. Balabak trip naman yung vlog na to. So yun. See you guys on our next travel. Thank you, Balabak.
They'll chase us to the endless wilderness. They'll chase us to the last page of your list. And when they finally catch us, they will see the details of our great discovery.